Guys, for today's videos, papasok tayo andito tayo sa beach. So, ayan yung view. Ayan yung malaking rock formation. Ayan, but we are here at Malinaw. So, yung kasama ko po is yung mga neighborhood ko, si Julian and Sandra. So, ayan, malalim na yan dyan, guys. So, I think yung tubig, guys, is pa high tide na siya. Oh my God. Pasok tayo dito, guys. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung pool, guys. Dito kami maliligo. My goodness. Ang galing ng view dito. OMG, for the first time. So, this is the swimming pool. And this is the... Diri rata! Diri rata! Dito ito mga gamit. This is the area of the Malinaw. So, we were staying here. So, ayan. Malaking first time ko pa nakapunta dito, guys. Kasama ito, na naghubad na siya, nagladlad na, my goodness.